You are watching Amy Family Channel. In this video, we're going to make cups or vases with a geometric pattern from simple dense paper. They are a great decoration for your interior and are really easy to make. I use them as holders for stationery, or as vases with a simple jar of water inside. For my vases, I took pastel paper with a density of 160 grams per square meter. I like the colors. You can use even simple school cardboard if you like. So I placed the sheet in front of me and cut out a rectangle 27 by 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters is the height of the vase. You can either make it taller or shorter if you want. First, we need to make a few marks on the long side of the rectangle. 4 sections, 6 centimeters each. And we will have a piece of 3 centimeters left. And now the same symmetrically on the other side. And now join the points diagonally like this. We're not going to draw the lines, we only need the impression. I took a wooden stick, and you can also take a used ball pen refill or any other object that would make a good impression without damaging the paper. Now we are marking the lines of the geometric pattern on our vase. And that's what you should get. Now do the same in the other direction. And we get diamond shapes like this. And last but not least, guided by the crossing points of the lines, I find the center of this side. And finish the last diamond. That's what it looks like. Now, following the marked lines, I bend the paper. The paper really easily understands what we want from it. One direction first, and then the other. We are fully repeating the pattern we've marked with the help of the stick. Here I need to adjust the previous bends a little so they all look the same. Now, just like that, join the edges of the sheet and bring the bends together. The seam is almost invisible. I use some glue stick on these 2 small triangles. And this large one on the inside. Now press carefully. I'm really loving this. Now let's move on to the bottom. I draw a square with a side of 8 centimeters. Then, stepping 1 centimeter from each side, draw another square inside it, this time 6 centimeters. That's what we get. I cut off the corners, we're not going to need them. And repeat the pencil lines with my wooden stick. Now we can erase the pencil. Bend the ears along the marked lines. that's what you should get. Cover the ears with a generous layer of glue. And now insert the bottom into the vase. Hide the ears inside. I put my left hand inside the vase and press the ears well to the walls, both from the inside and outside. That's it, our cup or vase is ready. Very cool and super easy. Like I said, you can easily experiment with the height of your vases. If you like this video, hit like and let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and see you in my new videos.